Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add customizable spacer and divider in your WordPress website. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. After that, search here with Kadence. This is the plugin Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. I already installed and activated this plugin. Firstly, you need to install and activate this plugin. After that, I am going to my all post section. I am going to edit this post. After this introduction, I want to add spacer and divider. I am giving line break here. After that, I have to click on this plus add block icon. I am clicking here and searching here with spacer and divider. This is the block and it's coming from Kadence Block. Click here and you see already spacer and divider added here. Now you can customize these things as per your need. Firstly, you have to click on this block. After clicking this block, at the right side, you will see this block section already selected. We are on general settings and first option is spacer settings and height. By default, they gave 60 pixel height. This height means this height. If you want to customize it, you can make it 20 pixel. You see, it's getting smaller, or you can make it 50 pixel. It will be bigger. Next option is divider settings. There by default already have a divider. If you want to disable this divider, just disable it from here and it will disappear from this spacer box. I want to enable it and this divider right now it's on align center. You see inside this box, inside this spacer, divider is align center. If you wish, you can make it align left or align right, but I think align center is standard. I'm making it align center. Next option is divider style. Before make customizing the divider style, I want to change the color, divider color. Then you can easily understand the changes. I am making the color is red color. Okay. Now I am changing the divider style. By default, it's solid. If I wish, I can make it dashed. Then my divider will be dashed or dotted or stripe. Which one you like, you may use that style. If I use solid divider, then below I will get two customization option, that is divider height. By default it's 1. If I wish, I can make it 5. Then this divider height will be increased, or you can make it 1. That's fine. And next option is divider width. By default it's 80% width according to the divider box. If you wish, you can change the percentage to the pixel. If you click here, then it will be pixel. Then you can make it 300 pixel, it will be 300 pixel, or you can use the percentage also. If I choose divider style dashed, then below same option. If you choose dotted, still the same option. But if you choose stripe, then there has different option. First option is stripe angle. By default it's 40. If you wish, you can make 80, then it will be more angle, or you can make it 20, then it will be less angle. But I think 40 is perfect. Stripe width, by default it's 4. You can increase or decrease it. If I make it 40, you see it's will like this. And stripe gap, by default it's 5. If you want, you can make it 10, then gap will increase here, or you can make it 3, then gap will decrease here. Divider height is 10. If you wish, you can make it 15 or 5. And divider width, right now it's 300 pixel. Previously we did it for solid. If you want, you can make it 500, then width will increase. I already explained all of the customization option from the general settings. Next option is advanced settings. If I click on advanced, then I will get visibility settings at the first. If you wish, you can hide this divider and spacer on your desktop, tablet or mobile. Just enable or disable it will work perfectly. And this design is 100% responsive. It will perfectly fit on any kind of devices. And the next option is block default. It's not mandatory to work here. And after that, final option is advanced. If you wish, you can make it more customization with this additional CSS, and here you can add your additional CSS class name. After watching this tutorial, I believe you can easily add spacer and divider with your expected customization option. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.